Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your BMW X3 key. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you're in a well-lit area so you can clearly see the small components. This simple process will have your key working like new in just a few minutes, restoring full functionality and convenience. Let's get started with the first step. Next, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button on the side and press it firmly. This will allow you to pull out the emergency key blade. Once the blade is removed, you'll see a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to pry open the key fob casing. Be careful not to apply too much force. Now it's time to replace the battery. Take a moment to observe how the old battery is positioned before you remove it. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery from its slot. Then, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and function. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them together until they snap securely into place. Don't forget to slide the emergency key blade back into its compartment until you hear a click. Now, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking the doors, to confirm everything is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.